Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is lookup relationship. Lookup relationship is loosely coupled relationship. It is one-to-many relationship. It can be created using lookup relationship data type. It can be created on both standard or custom object. Created on object which contains or does not contain data. It is optional field. Child record can exist without parent. Owner of parent record and child record may or may not be same. If we delete parent record, child record will not be deleted. Object on which we create lookup is called child object. Object whose data is referring is called parent object. We can create 40 lookup relationships. We can create self relationship. We can avoid deletion of parent record when it has child. Steps to create lookup relationship: setup, build, create, objects, choose object here, field and relationship, new. Step 1, select relationship type, that is lookup relationship. Step 2, select related to object. Step 3, enter the label and name for the lookup field. Step 4, establish field level security for reference field. Step 5, click Save button. Example, let's create lookup relationship on two objects, that is venue and campaign. On campaign, we have to create lookup relationship. Means this one is the child and this one is the parent. If deleting venue, then campaign is not getting deleted. Means if parent is getting deleted, child is not getting deleted. Let's see how it's going to work in our practical session. Thank you. So coming back to our practical session, first we need to log in, providing the password and click on login button. So we are going to see here so for lookup relationship we are going with two objects here. First one is venue and second one is campaign. So campaign is one standard object what is provided by Salesforce. For that one we need to add in our tab. So click on customize, go with campaigns, select on this, click on add and make it up or down, just go up. Okay, I'm making it here. Click on save button. It's coming over here beside home. And second object we need to create, that is value. So for creating the object, first we need to click on setup, build, create, objects, click on new, custom object. Here our object name is venue. If you want to provide description you can, venue name, and I am going with text only. Allow this three things, deploy it, allow search, okay, click on save button. To add this object into our tab we need to go with tabs, click on new, choose venue, go for any style, click on next. Visibility to all profiles is default on. Click next. Including tab, I am going with Employee Management System EMS. Click on save. So venue is coming over here. So for creating lookup relationship on campaign, I have to click on setup, build, customize, go with campaigns, fields, and here we need to click on new, then click on choose data type, lookup relationship, click on next. Related to, that is venue, click on next. Venue, I am making it to venue only. Here see, child relationship name is campaign, means in for this scenario campaign is child and venue is parent. Click on next. Next. Save. So for this I am going to create one venue. Venue name is Mayur Vihar, and I am making second venue name Red Fort, and here campaigns is here. So here our venue is coming. Campaign is sales force promotion. And I am taking this venue is Mayur Vihar and clicking on save button. So in this scenario, in campaigns, I have Salesforce promotion one campaign, and venue is what? I have two venue, Mayur Vihar and Red Fort is there. This Mayur Vihar is associated with one campaign, Salesforce promotion. So in lookup relationship, if I am deleting this Mayur Vihar, let's see this campaign is also getting deleted or not. So clicking on Mayur Vihar, just click on delete button. Okay. Only Red Fort is remaining. So let's go to our campaigns. See campaign is deleted or not. All active campaigns, and here we can see that Salesforce promotion is there. Salesforce promotion campaign is there, and let's go our venue. Only one venue is there, that is Red Fort. Mayur Vihar is deleted. So in this lookup relationship, if we are deleting master record, then child record is not going to be deleted. And second thing, we can create relationship on standard object as well as on custom object. So thank you.